Hello, welcome to the freelance training course, or what's better known as the Make Money Online course. Why did I design this course? I designed this course because I know that there are lots of people out there who are looking for genuine means to make money online. As an African, or coming from an African perspective, if you should search online, everything that you see is very European, very westernized, and there's nothing specific to the African. And that's exactly why I put together this course. I'm an SEO and digital marketing expert with over a decade of experience, and I'm bringing all this knowledge into this short course to give you a very good understanding of what you need to put in place to start making money online. All you need is an internet connection, a laptop or a phone, and of course the necessary skill. You can't make money online without a skill, and that's what this course is going to enlighten you about. So I'm glad to have you on board. Let's jump into it and let's get started.